Hey, what's up, gents? This is Team Hard Life Captain Albert Sartuche. I'm here on another unboxing video, and y'all probably recognize the containers that they come in. What is it? Y'all don't know yet? Y'all haven't been subscribed long enough? Well, it's fine. We're gonna unbox it for you so y'all can check it out. But also, too, I'd encourage you to backtrack through our videos to see how everything is doing, and because I've got over 1,200 videos posted, guys. Yes, I've got a ton of videos out there, a ton of knowledge posted, and it's an everyday life for us. I mean, I run a shop, we manufacture fishing tackle, we deliver, and once kind of all this pandemic clears up to where we can safely go fishing with the kiddos, because you know, that's the other thing, man. They're stuck at home, and yes, I'm missing my saltwater therapy. I need it bad. I'm getting shakes and convulsions and stuff like that, you know, not sleeping right, not eating right, but, you know, it'd be unfair not to take the kids with me. So I'm kind of kicking back a little bit and having some family time with them, but I still got to keep doing these videos because, like I said, it is really helping a lot of our subscribers who are touching base with us, you know, through PMs, through emails and stuff like that, phone calls, just, you know, that thing, I gotta get it fixed. Sometime when I can get enough time to do it, I'll get it done.
Gotta buy. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I gotta learn. I'ma call the whole team.
All right, so again, the two drawings that we're doing a $30 drawing and a $20 drawing. The $20 drawing is, there's about 8 to 9 rods that are in the collection that one winner will be able to select which rod they want to win. Either the old customs, the new customs built, or they can select a rod blank and have one built for themselves. Whichever one they want. I mean, you know, we'll build it for them and everything, and all it costs is the cost of a ticket. So it's a $20 ticket for that one to pick which rod you want. You can have us build you one, or you can pick one of the collection. Now, the $30 ticket drawing is for what they call a virgin blank. It's a 552 Harrington that was built back in 2005 and has still yet to be fished. Still has the original stickers from when it was consigned to be built, and still hasn't even had a reel seated onto the rod. So I don't know how it lasted this long without a reel. I really, really wanted it for my collection, but like I said, with everything going on, it was kind of hard for me to keep it in there. So, you know, kind of my loss is your gain, but at the same time too, that's gonna be, you know, it's awesome. So there's some very pretty rods in this collection that, like I said, you can pick and choose which one you want to get, but you got to enter the drawing. And update on the numbers. We're only selling 70 on each of these drawings. We're up to 45 tickets sold on the $30 drawing, and we're up to 37 tickets sold on the $20 drawing. As soon as we hit 70 tickets on the drawings, we'll get it posted up that we're gonna hold the drawing. I'm gonna probably do it live like I did the last one, so that way everybody can kind of chime in. I'll set a designated time. It'll probably be late afternoon, so that way if you're at work or whatever, you can still chime in and watch the video. I'm gonna do it here at my shop just because with everything going on, I know the restaurants won't be open and stuff like that. But in here, at least, you know, you can hear it, and I won't have all the wind and stuff like that like the other time. But again, like I said, those tickets are going quick, so don't miss out. You know, if we have to ship the rod, obviously we'll have to negotiate that and stuff like that. But they are available. You just got to call the shop and or come by. So good luck, guys. Let's see what we got here. It's pretty heavy. Pretty heavy. So. What do we got here? Fishing rods. So we got, yeah, thank you for giving me some light. Yes. We got those two. Next one. We got 3 on this one. All right. I can already tell we got something that we don't normally get on our rods, but check it out. I'll continue unbagging or boxing or whatever I got to do real quick, and let's see what we have here. I don't know about y'all guys, but some people have a crazy fanatic of sitting here and popping all of these. I do too sometimes, but I gotta fight the urge of not doing it because we use it for shipping products and stuff like that. So, I mean, maybe one day when I get pro huge status and I can, sit there and just do a popping video of all of those. Woo! Stay tuned, it might happen, or it will happen. It's just not just yet. So I wonder if that would be like a most satisfying video, sitting there popping all of these. Yeah, buddy. I'll have to get different sizes. I know I got some big ones, the big bubbles in there too. I don't know if those are as fun as the little ones, but they still are. So those two are the Vexen 9-foot, and these are the extra heavy. And yes, if y'all haven't seen me torquing some fish with these on the jetties and on the pier, definitely got to go back and check out our videos on that. And actually it's a season 4 right now, and they are out there tearing them up. It's just, like I said, I'm short-handed here at the shop. Been a little crazy for us, but we are still rocking and rolling. And these are the Tackle Industries, and these are the extra heavy as well. We've got what they call the 8150 pound class rod on there, and these were the original series of rods, the Tackle Industries, that my tournament fishing partner Damon found, decided to test out, and then once we tested them and played with them, and just it was game over for us. So next generation was the Vexens here, and then they already came out with the third generation with the tank, but also two, y'all always see us doing mainly the bait casting. Well, they do come in spinning, and we have them here in the shop. But like I said, it's just one of them things, you just got to ask and we can bring them in. And so here's our spinning combo. It's been a while since we brought one in, but like I said, a lot of people are seeing what I'm doing and they're wanting to replicate it because how fast we're pulling in fish and what we're doing with it and stuff like that. But at the same time too, you can still get the same kind of rod blanks with a spinning rod setup. Granted, we got heavy ones, and actually, hold a second. We got lighter ones as well, for, oh yeah, look at that tip. Yeah, tip whittle. Yes. Really sensitive. You can feel everything, especially if you're using braid and stuff like that. So we've actually done 50-something inch bull reds with these, no worries. So obviously right there you can see the size difference in them. And they have them where they vary by like a couple of inches. So yeah, if you're interested, give us a call here at 361-334-2171, Hard Life Bait and Tackle. And that's really gonna get on my nerves pretty quick. So